Hey guys, today let's dive into one of the most chilling and enigmatic cases in criminal history, Jack the Ripper. This unsolved mystery has baffled historians, detectives, and true crime aficionados for over a century, yeah? So grab your tea, get comfy, and let's get into it. Back in 1888, London's East End was a grim place. The area known as Whitechapel was plagued by poverty, crime, and despair. Amid this backdrop, a shadowy figure emerged, forever etching his name into the annals of true crime history. He was Jack the Ripper. The Ripper's reign of terror began in August 1888. His victims were predominantly women, often sex workers, and he was known for his brutal and methodical killing style. The first canonical victim, Mary Ann Nichols, was found on August 31st. Her throat was slashed and her abdomen was mutilated. The horror only escalated from there. The Ripper's second victim, Annie Chapman, was discovered on September 8th. Her body displayed even more gruesome injuries. This pattern of violence continued with Elizabeth Stride and Catherine Eddowes on the night of September 30th, known as the double event. Stride's injuries suggested she was interrupted, but Eddowes suffered horrifying mutilations that sent shockwaves through the community. And finally, the last confirmed victim, Mary Jane Kelly, was found on November 9th. Her murder was the most brutal of them all, with her body so severely disfigured it was almost unrecognizable. The brutality hinted at a deeply disturbed mind. But who was Jack the Ripper? Despite numerous theories and suspects, his identity remains a mystery. Over the years, suspects have ranged from local butchers and doctors to members of the British royal family. Some even speculate that the Ripper was a woman. Crazy, right? The letters add another layer of intrigue. Yet, the most famous, the Dear Boss letter, was signed with the chilling pseudonym Jack the Ripper. While some believe these letters were hoaxes, they still fueled public panic and fascination, no doubt. Jack the Ripper didn't just murder his victims, he left a legacy of fear and speculation that endures to this day. His crimes prompted significant changes in police procedures and investigative techniques. The Ripper's legend has inspired countless books, movies, and even tours of the murder sites in Whitechapel. It's a dark fascination that continues to captivate us. So what do you think? Was Jack the Ripper a madman, a calculated killer, or something else entirely? Drop your theories in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more spine-chilling tales. Until next time, stay safe and stay curious. Bye.